Ever wondered if your Galaxy Watch 6 speaker is working properly, whether you use it for calls, alarm, or voice replace? A healthy speaker makes a big difference. Let me show you a quick way to test the speaker on your Galaxy Watch 6 using the device care menu on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. First, head into Setting, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the Quick Settings panel. And then tap setting icon, scroll down the screen to find device care, tap device care, scroll down the screen, under additional care section tap diagnostic, tap watch diagnostic, scroll down the screen, and then tap speaker icon to start checking it. As you can see, your watch will ask you to allow diagnostic to make and manage phone call. As the example, we will tap allow. Your watch will ask you to tap the play to check for sound. Just listen to check if the speaker sound clear and normal. You can tap check button if you can hear the sound. If there's no issue, the result will be shown as normal. Given to the function, this test is great to quickly make sure your Galaxy Watch 6 speaker is working properly, especially before you rely on it for important things like alarms, calls, or voice replace. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.